I'm Jean, I'm a veterinary nurse for Asda Pet Insurance Vet Helpline. I've been a veterinary nurse for 15 years and I'm here to help you care for your pet. Insect stings in the dog and cat can be quite common occurrences, especially in the summer months. Cats like to go outside, they like to put their paws in the air and play with bees. Dogs themselves are inquisitive, they'll stick their nose into flowers and they'll often snap at passing bees and wasps. Normally a sting will just result in a local reaction in that you'll get some swelling and some pain around the site, and it can get red and it's going to feel sore. However, you will get some pets, just the same as you will with people, that can have an adverse reaction. Now, an adverse reaction is something like a lot of salivation. The pet could collapse, the pet could have breathing difficulties, they can vomit, they can have diarrhea. Anything that's abnormal, you will need to contact the vet. A local reaction is just some swelling, it can be obviously pain there, you can get redness in the area. Sometimes it can be difficult to know whether it's a bee or a wasp that's caused the problem. The way to know whether it's a bee or a wasp is if you can see a sting's been left behind. Only the bee leaves the sting. If you see the sting, it needs to be scraped out rather than pulled out, because pulling it can cause more of the venom to be pumped in. So scrape it with your nail or with a credit card. Then you can apply some bicarbonate of soda. Just make it to a paste, apply to the area. When you've done that, it can stop there for 5 to 10 minutes. Wipe that away and apply some ice. If you're unsure whether it's a bee or a wasp, just apply ice. If you're sure it's a wasp, you've seen the wasp out there, the antidote for a wasp sting is some vinegar. Just apply it on a pad of some cotton wool, something like that, for a few minutes, and then you can apply some ice. Now, this can be particularly difficult with a cat. They don't really like being handled when they're in pain. So it really needs 2 people, and sometimes the best way to restrain a cat is either to scruff it and hold it close to the floor, or to put it in a towel. If you're unable to treat the area because the cat won't allow you, then you will need to seek veterinary care. It is important that if your animal's been stung, that they are closely monitored for the next few hours, and any worries or concerns, any deterioration in the condition, you will need to contact your vet. For more information on Asda Pet Insurance, please go to asda.com/money.